everyone and welcome back to my channel. And I thought today we would have like a chilled arty day. I think after the stress of Christmas and everything, I think we just need to sit down, chill out, let our food digest, and do some art.
I like that.
And when it comes to art and stuff, I've always been interested in kind of like doing things a bit differently and thinking about different ways to do certain things.
What does that mean?
So especially when it comes to painting, obviously we think about painting on paper, painting on a canvas, the very traditional kind of aspects of painting. And today I thought it'd be quite fun to paint on a skateboard. Well, it's like the base of a skateboard. There's no wheels or anything like that. And I thought this would be quite interesting. And it's obviously challenging to paint on a different material and obviously a different shade. It's a very unusual shade. So I've got some paint pens. I've obviously got my skateboard. So let's make some art. Okay, so I'm wondering which side to actually paint on, because obviously a skateboard's got the underneath and the top, and I thought this would look quite nice mounted on a wall, so I don't know whether to bother painting both sides. I think I might paint this side, the side that traditionally has the kind of anti-slip mat on. And to be fair, I think skateboard painting is actually like a thing, because if you see like a lot of skateboarders and stuff, the underneath always has like a really nice design on it, doesn't it? But for mine, I'm thinking I want to do like a Keith Haring, almost 90s colour scheme, kind of graphical piece of art, if that makes sense. That's what I've got in my head. Whether it actually turns out that way, I don't know. We'll just see how it goes. But I do want to sketch it out first. I haven't really thought too much about it. I do want some circles though. I could do with something to draw around to get like a perfect circle. Right, I've got this coaster base. I think that'll work quite well. And just make a nice circle. And then I've got a milk paint as well. Can you remember when I tried these out? Haven't used them since. Just make a bit of a donut shape. I was tempted to freehand this, but I know fine well if I freehand it, it'll go really badly.
But he thinks he's learning, and thinking is learning.
I might do some circles that are like a little bit off. I think that'll look quite cool. That'll almost look a bit 60s actually.
No, it won't. It absolutely won't.
I think with something like this, it's fun just to kind of play around and see what kind of happens. Also, I hope everyone had a lovely Christmas. Hopefully you didn't have too many fights with your family. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, I hope you had a lovely Wednesday. Did you get up to much? Did you do anything? I suppose it's a little bit difficult for people who don't celebrate Christmas and they live in a country that obviously celebrates Christmas or predominantly celebrates Christmas, because on that day like everything's shut, so you can't exactly go and do anything, can you? I think pretty much everything's shut. Right, I think that's all the circles I want. And I'm kind of thinking about like connecting them with, I don't know, just some regular lines and see what happens. Do I want wiggly lines or do I want straight lines? I think because I've done like quite circular patterns, I think wiggly lines would look better, wouldn't it? Okay, it's coming together now. I feel like I know what I'm doing. See, I didn't plan this. This isn't what I actually had in my head and just something else has developed. Okay, I think I'm quite happy with that. You can see my pencil marks there, and it almost looks like a kind of sun pattern or something. It looks, I don't know, just a bit different. Not really what I had in my mind at all, but that's fine. I just kind of went with it. So now it's basically just time to colour this entire pattern in. And I bought these art pens, and apparently they're good on all different kinds of materials, not sponsored or anything. And they look quite interesting, don't they? I hope they're nice. I better not have chew on like I did with them stupid glitter pens. If they don't end up working though, I've got some other paint and some other pens, and I'll just have to come up with possibly a plan B or a plan C. Also, we've just had our first proper cold snap of winter. Hence why I'm wearing my gorgeous comfy Cathy hoodie. Link below if you want one.
Oh no, that's okay.
And it's very warm and cozy, but it has been so cold. Like this morning when I woke up, it was absolutely freezing. We were actually supposed to get snow last night, and I was quite excited this morning to wake up and be like,
ooh, snow.
But we don't have any snow. I don't mind snow, I quite like snow. I don't like winter when it's like stormy and rainy and cold and windy all the time.
Today.
They're the kind of winters I absolutely hate. I don't mind like chilly, fresh, snowy winters. They're okay in my books. But anyway, let's try and see what these pens are like first. Oh, these are nice. Okay, great. These are way better than them glitter ones. So far, touch wood, because the glitter pens started off quite well and then they just ended up terrible. Let me just do this one bit and then we'll see what that's looking like. Okay, no problems with that at all. They work very well. How nice is that? Nice bit of coverage. But it has dawned on me that this, which I thought was going to take me for some reason about half an hour to do is not. It's going to take me hours. So I'm going to take this ring off. My hand is going to cramp up, but I'm going to persevere and I'm going to spend hours painting this entire skateboard because I want it done. It's going to look really good actually. Right, well, I'll see you on the other side and hopefully we'll have a pretty decent looking skateboard. If we don't, then this is going to be a complete and utter waste of time, isn't it? Okay, so I'm just over 2 hours into this project, and yes, it's taken a very long time, but I think it's looking really good so far. I've only got kind of this bit here, a little bit here, and then I also want to outline it in black. I think that looks really fun, doesn't it? I think it's gonna look really, really cool once it's done. I think something like this as well, you just have to kind of have like faith and just see it through. Looks a bit shitty to begin with, but then as you go on, you're like, I can kind of see my vision.
Don't go toward the light!
I'm wondering whether to do other bits to it, like add some other details or not, I'm not sure. I'll figure that out later. Also, while I've been doing this, I've been watching so many documentaries on UFOs. I feel like my brain's gone a bit like but I'm gonna have some lunch because I'm absolutely starving.
Fat bitch.
And then we'll pick this up after then. Then fingers crossed, I think there should only be another like hour, potentially 2 hours left to do. I can do that, that's fine. I don't know whether my neck can cope with it, mind. My back and my neck.
My pussy and my crack.
Knackered. Okay, I've finally coloured that entire pattern in, and oh my god, it's taken so long.
84 years.
But I'm really pleased with it. I think it's looking really cool. Like, look at that. That's well nice, isn't it? Looks proper funky, and it's like totally different. And I could obviously leave it like this. I think this looks fine. But I do want to outline it in black and really make all these colours pop. And I don't think I want to do anything else. I'll wait to see what it looks like outlined, and then I'll decide if it needs anything extra. Right, well, I'll stick the rest of this UFO documentary on. I feel like I've gone down a bit of a rabbit hole. I've watched hours of UFO documentaries now.
Scott.
Which I don't mind. So I'll stick that on and we'll get this outlined. Okay, so after about 5 hours of neck breaking, back breaking, painting, I finally finished. And here it is. I think that looks well cool, doesn't it? And the thing is with something like this, you could easily turn it into like a little side table or like a light fitting or something, or you could just have it as a piece of art. I think what I might do later off camera, when I've got time, is varnish it and really bring it to life. And then also, I might paint the back black just to kind of frame everything. But I think it looks really cool. I'm really happy with it actually. This is something I would definitely hang on my wall. And you could kind of see making like a centerpiece of multiple kind of skateboards in different designs, like hanging on your wall or something, couldn't you?
No.
I don't know, I think it's just a dead clever idea. And a skateboard base isn't that expensive either, so yes, I would highly recommend playing around and doing yourself a bit of skateboard art. And also, if you wanted to know, these paint pens weren't too bad either. I'm not sponsored by them at all, I just found them on Amazon. That's what they're called. They were alright. Anyway, I think that just about does it for today's arty video. Hopefully you have enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next week, specifically on New Year's Eve, I believe. Oh, that rhymed.
Yay!
For another video. I think it's just going to be a bit of a chilled video. The end of December double uploads. I'm knackered. I want a chilled one.
I'm exhausted.
So I'll see you then. Oh, my neck. Oh, I've got to go to work tomorrow too. I was going to actually record a second video today, but I've just run out of time. I don't understand why I think, like, something like this. I was like, oh yeah, I can sit and record this video. It'll take us about half an hour. I have literally zero concept of like time and how long things take. I'm also freezing. I've got like a nice woolly kind of thing. I'm gonna have to stick that on. It's so cold. My hands are cold. You know when you've got like cold fingers? Don't like it. Don't like being cold at all. I'd prefer to be too hot, believe it or not. Oh my god, I just rhymed again. I'm on a proper rhyming mission today, aren't I?